Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can fix ISdone.dynamic link library and Unarc.dynamic link library error on your PC. So, the ISdone.dynamic link library and Unarc.dynamic link library error in Windows 10 is mostly related to the installation of PC games, as well as programs of our size. Large games or our program have compressed data which is unpacked in your hard drive during installation. This eats up your PC RAM as well as hard drive while installation. If your PC RAM or hard disk doesn't have sufficient memory to handle the process, your PC may throw this error. So you can increase Windows page file or virtual memory. This is the first method, an important method that usually I try. So let's open the system properties by hold Windows key and R key on your keyboard and type sysdm.cpl. Click OK. And this is the advanced. Click advanced and click performance settings. Click again advanced and click virtual memory. This is how you can change it. Untick the box and click on custom size. Here you can type this initial size and maximum size based on your PC, RAM of your PC or RAM of your laptop. Here, for most games, 2.5 GB is enough. So the value which will work in most cases is 403,000. Note that the files are in megabytes, so this is set the maximum paging file size to the tune of 3 GB. So feel free to try to increase your memory, increase Windows page file. After that, you can restart your PC or your laptop and try to reinstall the software. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and click the next button below. See you in the next video.